All right, Sudoku time. We got Distractions by Philip Newman. We have normal Sudoku apply, and then we have crop key. White dots are consecutive, and black dots have a 1-to-2 ratio. Okay, let's go. All right, so that's got to be a 6. This has to be this is a 1 or a 4. So this will be a 5 or a 7. This is a 7 or a 9. 6 or 8. Okay, so then this would be 3 or 4. 3 or 4. All right. We're getting places. Then the 9 is either here or here because a 9 cannot be on a black crop key. So, okay, that's fine. I'll leave that be for now. Okay, so this is a 2. What would this be? It would have to be a 4-8, I think. So that this would have to be a 1, which places the 1 up here. Right, and then this would have to be a 2 as well, so that'd be a 4. Then this is either a 3 or 5, but it can't be a 5 because 5 cannot be in a black crop key. So that's a 3, that's a 6. Again, I think. 1, 2, 3. So then we need 5, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, okay, 5, 7, 8, 9. All right, and then the 8 can't be here. 8 can't be here. Can't be here, so the 8 will be here, which makes that a 4. And then this would be a 7 or a 9. Not a 6. 7 or 9. 5, 7, 9. And then this is just 5, 7, 9. All right. What's over here? 2, 9? No. 2, 5, 7, 9. Okay, there's a few options, but we know that the 2 is up there. 3 is down here. 3 and 6 are both down on this, in this 3 cell, so the 3, 6 has to be here. Dope. Good to know. So 8 will be here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 5, 7, 9 triple. 5, 5, 7, 9. That can't be a 9 because of this. All right. So this would also be a 5, 7, 9. Okay. 5, 7, 9, but we know 8 is going to be here, paired with either 5, 7, or 9. Okay, that's fine. We'll leave that be for now. All right, so this is an 8. Then these are going to be 1, 2, or 2, 4, and then this is 3, 6, and a 1, 2, 2, 4. Some situation like that, I think. All right. The white crop keys are throwing me because a 5 cannot be on a black crop key, but it could be on a white. So I think that puts the 5s here. Yeah, because these can't be 5s, these can't be 5s, that can't be 5. This, so then, yeah, 5s are here, which removes this 5. So this is now a 7. That's a 9. Then this is a 5. So I can remove that 5. So then this becomes a 7, 9 as well. Okay. Oh, what about here? This is 2, 5. That's 2, 5. So then this is a 7, 8, 9 triple. That's not a 7. So does that help me? I mean, moderately. Okay, 8s are here. Okay, so 7s can't be here, so 7s are here. All right, let's pencil mark it just to get us somewhere. And we'll pencil mark in the 8s over here while we're at it. All right, so the 8, the 1 can't be in this. Can't be over here. So the 1 is in one of these. So if this is a 1, this would have to be a 2, but it can't be. So this is not a 2. No, wait. That's not a 1. I'm sorry, this isn't a 1. And then this can't be a 1 because if there were a 1, this would have to be a 2, and this would also have to be a 2. So if my logic is correct, this would be a 1, that would be a 2, this would be a 3, which makes that a 4, and then this is an 8. So I can remove this 8 and place the 8 here. So this is now 7 and 8. All right. So I think, so this has to be a 3, 6 pair. And we can place that. So 3 here, 6 here, and this would have to be a 5 or a 7, and it can't be 7 because of this one. So this is now a 5. So we can delete that. So then this is now a 7, 9 as well, but this 7 sees that, so it's a 9, and that's a 7. All right, cool. So these are 7s. Pencil mark those. That's actually that's a 7, 8 pair now, because these and these 3s go up here. 1s are here. 2s are here. 4s are here. And 4 cannot be on that because it's a white crop key, so those are consecutive. Is that right? No, wait. Yeah. Because 5 could be on here, but 1, 2, and 4 could not be down here. Right. So then this is a 4. So that'll be a 1, that's a 2. This is 3, 5, 6. So you know that the 5s, this is going to be a 3, and then these will be 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also going to be a 5, 6, which places a 9 down here. And we need a couple, this is going to be a 1 because of this one, and then this one, and then a 1 cannot be next to a 3 on any crop key, actually. So then we have a 2, 4, and with this one, this places a 2 there. Oh, yeah, and then 4 here. All right, so 4 does not limit anything there. 1, 2, 3. This is a 4, 5, 7 triple. 4, 5, 7. This is a 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9. 9 cannot be on a black crop key. And then this is 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8. And 3 cannot be on here because this would have to be a 2 or 4, and it sees both. Okay, 6, 8. So far, that does not seem to be a problem. 1, 2. This cannot be a 1 because this would have to be a 2. And it can't because of this one down here. So that's not a 1, so it is a 2. And it can't be a 4, so it's a 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Then we need 4. This is a 5, 6. 5, 6. 5 cannot be in a black crop key, so it's a 6. So this is a 5. That's a 3. So we have a 6 here, 3 here. That's a 6. This is a 5. That's a 6 as well. So this is a 2. That's a 5. There's some thunder out there. This is going to be a 4, which places this as a 9. Then it can remove this 4. This 3, 6. So that's an 8, which places this as a 6. This will be a, oh wait, actually no. I haven't finished solving that. Those are 2s. That was almost very dangerous. That's 1, 9. So this is now a 3. So here is a 5 or a 7. I'll hold off on that for the time being. So this is going to be a 1, 2, or a 4. But with 2 and 4 here, I'll hang off for a second. Yeah. All right, let's pencil mark though. So we got 1s there. 2s are here. 3s are here, but it can't be there, so we can place this 3. 4s are here. This cannot be a 4 though, because that can't be a 2 or an 8. 5s are there. 6s are down here. 7s are there. 8s, but that can't be an 8. And then a 9. So 9s are down here. So this has to be an 8-9 pair. You can delete that 8. 4, 5, 6, 7. So then this is a 6, which places that as a 5. That's a 6. This is now a 7. So let me delete this 7 and 5. So this is a 4. So I have an 8 here, 4 here. That's a 1, 2. That can't be a 1, so it's a 9. That's a 1. That can't be a 2, so it's a 7. This is a 5. So I have a 7 here, 4 here, 4 here. That's an 8. This is a 2. This is a 9, so that's a 5. This is now a 7, 9. This is 8, 9. That can't be an 8, so it's a 7, 8, which puts this as a 5 and finish it off with a 7. Oh, goodness. That was a little tougher than I was expecting it. Good job. Good job, Philip.